This is terrible. Nepal just suffered a huge flash flood. A 5.2 magnitude earthquake struck, and then this happened.
यो घर गयो ल ल त्रिशुली बजारै गयो यार ल गयो यार ल घरहरू जम्मै गयो ल ल
150 are confirmed to be dead, with many more people still missing. Please pray for Nepal. Ya Allah, we ask for your mercy and protection for the people of Nepal affected by the devastating floods. Please shelter the displaced, heal the injured, and grant immense patience to those who have lost loved ones. O Allah, ease their hardships, calm the waters, and help them rebuild their lives. Ameen.